off to Ardrossan this morning, which means an early start. It's 148 kilometres from Adelaide and around a 90-minute drive, and it's an easy drive. It's a good road most of the way. Ardrossan sits on top of some beautiful red clay cliffs, and when the sun hits these in the morning, it is a sight to behold. Ardrossan has a lot of history. In 1867, the merchant ship Zanoni sunk in a freak storm about 10 nautical miles offshore from Ardrossan. It wasn't found until 1983. It is now preserved and it has a 550 metre exclusion zone around it to protect it. You can get a permit to dive it, but no fishing allowed. In 1950, the dolomite mines were built. And yes, that's their jetty. It's 1 kilometre long and still ships dolomite from it today.
Isn't that beautiful? What are we going to go fishing for today, Skip?
So today's a squid day. We need some bait. Port Mac later on this week, which is exciting. We've got 4 days down there, so we do need some bait. And you know, we've learnt that we need squid, especially for sharks and eagle rays and just everything eats squid. Today's all about, hopefully, we can get our bag limit of squid, which is 45. We'll keep the wings and the heads for bait, and guess what's for dinner?
Yum yum!
Yum yum! Calamari!
So, shall we go get some squid then? Pretty little town, Ardrossan.
Yeah, it is. Known for its blue swimmer crabs. You can't fish off the BHP jetty, but you can certainly fish around it. On a good day, you can get salmon, there's the odd kingfish, and yeah, you can even catch snapper under there from time to time during the snapper season. You can troll up and down the eastern side of it for salmon, or you can pull up on anchor and burley with pilchards. It's a great place to take those new anglers out with you, and it's an awesome place for the kids as well. It's nice and safe and gentle, and if they get onto a school of salmon under that jetty, they're hooked for life. But we're heading down south to James Well. See when we get there. So it's been a bit mayhem here this morning. It's been absolutely crazy. So Jules is on out there. And Tracy, you're on?
I'm on.
Cool. Oh, did you drop it? Oh, it's on. It's on. So here we are. They're not very big. Oh, Jules is having a bit of fun. Oh, that's a good size one, Jules, for our hair this morning. It's not too bad. Awesome. So yeah, that's a good squid. Trace, you got yours as well? Awesome.
Yours is bigger, Jules.
Cool. So that's awesome.
Does it matter which one?
Oh.
We'll go that one, shall we?
Which bucket? Yeah, just take them in your bucket. 2 clicks on the clicker.
Back in.
Back in.
Too tight.
Squitting in Ardrossan.
Did you do 2 then, Jules?
Done the easy way.
2 figures?
Oh, no,
2 clicks. Yay! It's such a beautiful day out here today. Like, we don't have much current and the tide's just about coming up to a low. So, but it's just absolutely stunning. The blue is reflecting off the water of the colour of the sky. Oh, Jules is on again.
Go, Jules.
Go, Jules.
last size again.
Awesome.
A lot of ink in that bottom, be careful.
I seem to be the only one getting ink this morning.
Yeah, I'm going to stand back because I can see all the ink in the bottom of it. You did that on purpose.
Got ya!
Got that.
Get it off.
Yeah, turn it up. That's it. That's it. And do a click.
Dear.
Awesome. Good work, Jules. So he's such a tiny little cuttlefish, so we're gonna let him go, watch him grow. Oh! Bottom here is so clear. You can see that bottom, and we are in 9 meters of water. So it's just absolutely beautiful. You can see the reflection of us in here. But yeah, that water is just crystal clear.
It's only just on it.
No, 17, isn't it?
Do you want me to do the clicker? I haven't done it yet.
Yeah, do the clicker, Jules, seeing as you got one.
That's 19.
19.
19, oh wow.
Awesome. So where's Jules' squid? Here it is. I'll get her the net so she can do this herself.
Trying to get out of the way.
I'm just trying to get back so I can video.
Oh.
It's waiting on Jules' squid to squirt her. If it doesn't, it'll be the only squid all day that hasn't. Well done, Jules.
It's only a little one.
He is only a little one, isn't he? Good bait size for Port Mac.
Yeah.
Awesome. If you haven't already, please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Coming up after the break, Jules gives us a theory as to which end squid ink comes from.